Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on CRV. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a big and long-term down channel, the price line of CRV formed another smaller down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that we have broken down the support of this smaller down channel rather than breaking out the resistance, despite this down channel is considered as a bullish path. But in this case, we have broken down the support. And in case of breaking down, I was telling you that we can expect the target up to here. That was approximately at 42 cents. And you can see that the price can drop more than that, up to approximately 40.12, and did not break down this next downtrend and resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this downtrend and resistance is the resistance of the bigger down channel that we have already broken out. This is the down channel that we previously broke out, and now it is acting as a support. Right now, we are moving slightly down than this support, but we need to watch out for the weekly closing of this candlestick because this is quite long-term support for the past several months, even since after July 2022, it was working as a resistance, and now it can act as a strong support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you a very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup of PYR, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 25th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price then moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of CRV. And here in the daily time frame chart, you can see that recently we have broken down this quite long down channel. Since after 4th of December, it was moving inside this channel. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally we broke down the support and we have already hit the target for this breakdown, but the price line did not break down this long-term down trend line support, and now we are again trying to break it down, by the way. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this down trend line support is the resistance of the previous long-term down channel. Previously, you can see that since after the month of July 2022, it was moving inside this channel. In fact, from here, from the month of June 2022, when we found the support here, we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and we had another rejection. And after two more touch points, we had another bounce, broke out another down channel. And after that, we had a nice rally. And now after the breakout from this bigger down channel, the price line is retesting the previous resistance of channel as support. And this is quite long-term resistance that can act as a strong support. Therefore, we need to watch out for the weekly closing. If this candlestick will be closed below this support, then we can expect that again it can test this long-term support of 38.65 cents, and in case of breaking it down, it can again test the support of this bigger downtrend. By the way, in case of a successful retest, it can start another reversal from here. In that situation, we will still need to break out the resistance of this previous down channel that can again act as a resistance, and we will also need to break out this long-term resistance of 88 cents as well. That was recently working as a resistance here and resistance here. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of CRV. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this down channel, the bigger down channel, is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $1.60. You can see that we were very close to hit that target. The price and rallied up to $1.33 and again moved down. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $6.50 to $7. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.